Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Baseus Gan 3 Pro 65 watts charger, and I can show you which certificates this charger supports. So firstly, let's start with connecting our charger to the electricity. Then let's connect our charger to that certificates checker. And cool, so as you can see here, we have the power delivery with 65 watts, Apple 5 volts and 2.4 amperes, BC, Samsung fast charger, Huawei 2 certificates for the fast charger, Qualcomm quick charge, 203040 and 40 and 40 plus, without 50 unfortunately. Here we have now only Qualcomm 50 and BBK fast charging. So Vogue is for Vivo, Dash is Oppo, Warp is OnePlus, and Super Vogue is Oppo 2 or Vivo 2. So as you can see, this charger doesn't support only BBK supercharge, but I have only Gen 3 Pro, so it's short. It's just on the short generation, so maybe in newest generation, the newest one is Gen 5, so maybe in Gen 5 you will have the Vivo fast charging, but not on this generation. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!